Hello friends, I am your Tracy's Total Wellness girl with Wellness Wednesday. Today I wanted to share with you a wonderful, quick self-care, what I like to call reset that you can do each and every day to get you into more alignment with your true authentic self and to tap into a little bit more of a spiritual practice, whatever that looks like to you. It's always amazing and wonderful for us to tap into the messages that are awaiting us to really step into our authentic self. I find affirmation cards to be wonderful for this, and anybody can use affirmation cards. Tarot, angel cards, some other cards you might have heard of sometimes require you learning how to use them. The great thing about affirmation cards, all you got to do is pick one. I'm going to share with you a quick strategy just to make sure that you're clearing the energy, plus one of my favorite new decks. So this is called Love Yourself cards. It's by the amazing Louise Hay. She also has several other sets of cards. Another one that I use a lot in my events that I run are called Power Thought cards. And I start each and every one of my events with a power thought, which is an affirmation. A great way to clear a deck that's simple for anybody to do. So here's the deck of cards. Somebody has chosen a card from here before, or maybe your past self has chosen a card. You want to just clear any of that energy so that you're getting the new intention for that newest version of you that is there in the moment picking these cards. A quick, easy reset is on a table or something, bang each side of the cards. I also like to knock on each side of the cards. It clears the cards. You're more than welcome to shuffle them a little bit, your preference, and then do the clearing. It's completely up to you. There are two ways that are a great way to choose cards. Either you lay them down on a table, take a few deep breaths. I like to close my eyes so that my eyes aren't tricking me, and then my finger lands on a card. That's the card for me. So I'm going to choose which two I pick. I trust myself and the process of life. The moment I am willing to change is amazing how the universe brings me what I need. That's a good one, right? So I'm going to choose a second one for myself with the shuffle method. So you just ask for the cards to be very clear to you which one you're needing. Sometimes a couple will pop out. Either if your intuition is guiding you that that's the one for you, then choose all of them. If your intuition is guiding you that you need it to be more clear, just ask, please be more clear. So be clear for me. Yeah, see, I just got like 4 or 5. That's too many. I want you to be very certain what's mine. Ooh, some of them fell on the floor, which is interesting. So I'm actually, because they all fell on the floor, I'm going to shuffle those ones to see which one is mine. Because again, I had a pretty good chunk of them. So there's not enough for me to shuffle, so I'm just going to pull them like this. And this was the one. So again, that's a great way if several of them fly out and you don't feel like they're all what you need, you can choose the ones that fly out. I love myself totally in the now. Healing means to make whole and to accept all the parts of myself, not just the parts I like, but all of me. Well, those are nice, right? I like to then either leave these out. I have like just a little, some people call it an altar. It's just my little sacred space that I have where I light candles and I set my sage, my Palo Santo, my journal. Sometimes I set these cards out. If I really need a message that month, I take a picture of the card and I put it as the background on my telephone so I can see it each and every day. I also have clients that set these by their bedside or post them on their mirror in their bathroom so they can see it and be reminded of it each day until they're feeling called to pull a new card. If you have any questions for me about how to pull affirmation cards or how to use them in specific rituals, I do that work with a lot of my clients for rituals to help them with whatever emotional trauma that they're trying to release or health or life goals they're trying to achieve, as well as in ceremony work with the moon and specific ways to activate intentions. Any questions, please ask me, and I'm here to serve you. This is Tracy with your Wellness Wednesday and affirmation cards. Be well.